Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell Solana with fiat currency on Autosnipe AI. In order to do it, you need to use the link that is given in the description. So if you use that link, you will get 10% rebate on the trading fees on Autosnipe AI, and you will be able to easily set up and create your account over here. So make sure that you use the link that is given in the description. Now, once you are on Autosnipe AI, you need to make sure that you link your Phantom wallet with it. So you need to press the connect and share option, and you will be able to easily connect your Phantom wallet with Autosnipe AI. Now over here, in order to deposit Solana, you need to click on the wallet option in the top right hand corner, and here you will have the first option of depositing with the help of your deposit address. So if you want to deposit with this method, you need to copy this address from here. Then you need to go to your Phantom wallet and press send. Then select Solana and paste the address in this section. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer to Autosnipe and press next in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to just review your transaction and confirm it. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to receive your Solana into your Autosnipe.ai wallet. Now, this was the traditional method that we all use, but the best thing about Autosnipe is that they have provided you the fiat currency option as well. So if you want to directly purchase Solana with the help of USD, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, INR, you can easily do it. So once you select the on ramper option, it will show you that how much you need to spend. So if you want to change your currency, you need to simply click on this drop down menu, and from here you can select your currency. Let's say I want to select EUR. So after selecting it, it will automatically take the minimum amount that you need to spend, and it will also show you the equivalent amount of Solana that you will get. It will give you the payment options that are available, but for EUR right now there is no payment method available. So let's say I reside in India, so I'm going to select INR. So over here you need to enter the amount that you want to spend, and it will show you the equivalent amount of Solana that you will get. Over here in the pay using option, if you tap on this drop down menu, you will be able to see the payment methods that again depend from country to country. So you need to select their recommended option, or if you want to select the different option, you can do that as well. Afterwards, press the buy sol option, and it will take some time to connect your account with the onramper.com website. Now over here, you just have to simply review the information here and press the buy sol option. Then you need to provide your email address, and it may also ask you to provide your personal number. So you just have to simply provide the details that it asks you, and with the selected method of payment, you just have to simply conclude the payment. Now once your payment is done successfully, you will be able to load your Autosnipe wallet with Solana, and that too with the help of the fiat currency. So it is quite simple thing to do at Autosnipe AI. So with this deposited Solana, what you can do is you can simply activate the auto sniper, or you can even use their copy trading feature, and you can let AI to make the trades for you. If you want to withdraw your Solana from here, then you need to again click on the wallets option in the top, and this time you need to select the withdraw option. Now over here you need to enter the amount of Solana and select the priority fees and press the withdraw option over here. Then you will be able to see the other methods with the help of which you can withdraw your Solana. If you see the fiat option, then you need to simply enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw and select your respective payment method. Afterwards, you need to conclude your payment, and you will be able to sell your Solana at Autosnipe and get the equivalent amount of money directly into your bank account. So this is how you can easily buy and sell Solana with fiat currency on Autosnipe. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.